In our second FEM example, we base on our last model. So I take the sim file, I put it in the graphics window, it's open, we see the old state. I'm taking note that I only see the sim and FEM file, so I load also the CAD model. I go to the CAD model, change the application to modeling. I'm now in the environment you know from modeling. I just make a hole, a simple hole through the body with a diameter of 40 millimeters. I decide to put it on this face. I just want it in the middle, so 30 millimeters, that's okay, and I want it exactly 100 millimeters from the fixed side. I have here my hole. I go back to application, pre-post, and now I double click on the FEM model. You have an information window that there are changing in the polygon body. I close this window and now I see two things. I see the mesh is in the old state, but the geometry there has already the hole, and now this icon is getting active update. Also in the area of the mesh I see an update is pending, so just click on this update button and you see the mesh has changed. The hole is now integrated. I want a mesh that's much finer, so I choose here the size to go down to 10 millimeters. I leave everything else like it is, okay, and I have remeshed my body. Now in information I can see that I made almost 3,500 elements and about 7,300 nodes. Every node can make a movement in X, Y and Z direction, so we have a little bit more than 20,000 unknowns in this problem, or you have a matrix of 20,000 by 20,000 elements that has to be solved. I go to sim file. Now if you go to structural, there would be the old result, so I click on solve. Let's solve the solution. It works quite fast. Also with this 20,000 unknowns. To be sure, I look at the file. There is no error, everything okay, fine. I go to the results file and I see the displacement changed a little bit, only 1 millimeter more or a little bit less than 10% more deformation because of the hole, but the stress is larger and he is also on a longer area. To get the nicer picture, I go in this menu, you have to learn with different possibilities. I just go to legend, change the legend extremes to specified. I decide to take 0 and 240 megapascal, because that's about the limit of the aluminium I have taken for this body, and I see this type of visualization. So you see the whole area here. We have more than 240 megapascal, so quite at the limit. Also inside of the hole you see this area is red. Just take note that in this area the visualization of the colors is quite given through the elements. That's some of the explanation we'll show later. I go return. You can now save all if you want this state of the results. So all the time think about saving. Okay, that's for this lesson.